This is Mari Lane from the Buying Space channel. Today I'm doing a raw unboxing from Amy, who is the Hotmess Thrifter. I was in a live chat room and I asked someone if they had any greeting cards. And Amy was also in the chat room and she said, hey, I got greeting cards. And $10 including shipping and delivery in a day and a half, which I find excellent. And I have greeting cards. Whoops, I did it backwards. Oh, how pretty. Dream. To believe is everything. Very nice. I love butterflies. We have, let me see, follow your heart. These I thought would be wonderful for graduations or marriages or any kind of thing where people are entering a new phase of life. Or moving on. Memories. Memories. Life is the holding of memories. Only the heart can see. And they're all blank inside, so you can make them kind of a card for various occasions. Gratitude. Life is a journey filled with unexpected miracles. So you can send this to someone that's helped you along the way, or has, directly from where in an occasion you would send a thank you card. Dream. To believe is everything. See another card that's appropriate for even a baby shower, but certainly graduation or marriage, or a young person just starting off in a new direction. They're lovely cards. They were priced right, and she included the shipping and got them here quickly. I'm very pleased with these cards. Thank you so much, Amy.